What's up, everybody? This your boy Adogg, and once again, I'm back with another video. Today we are back with Mr. Willie Nelson. The name of this song is called Blue Eyes Crying in the Rain. And before we get to the video, if you're new to the channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's dive straight into this. Mr. Willie Nelson, go.
In twilight glow I see love, blue eyes crying in the rain.
Man, that guitar sound good.
And when we kissed goodbye parted, I knew we'd never meet again. Love is like a dying ember, and only memories remain. I'll remember blue eyes crying in the rain.
Blue eyes crying. And another thing is, when I read the comments on my last video, y'all was telling me that Willie was a good guitar player. And I see it. Now, I didn't hear a lot of folks mention that before, like when a lot of y'all was telling me like a lot of good guitar players. And I gotta tell you, man, like listening to Willie, I might have to add him up in there, man, cause he can play that guitar too. And y'all know I love reacting to songs that got something to do with a guitar. Y'all should know that by now. Let's go.
Someday when we meet up yonder, we'll stroll hand in hand again. In land that knows no parting.
Come on, Willie.
Blue eyes crying in the rain.
Blue eyes crying in the rain. With another great song by Willie Nelson. Now, I did tell y'all, I told you. I said that I'm going to be going down the rabbit hole listening to Willie Nelson, so I want y'all to keep giving me songs. This right here was a perfect, a beautiful, beautiful request. Oh, man. Awesome request, man. And I have reacted to a lot of songs that have been at the Midnight Special. I love the songs that be coming from that stage, because like I said, y'all let me know how big the Midnight Special was back then. So shout out to y'all for letting me know that. Like I said, we have made it to the end of the video. If you did enjoy, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Adogg.